This screencast is going to go over how to build a new Google Sheet from your Google Drive. Currently, as you can see, I'm in my Gmail, and so you can get to your Drive the way you want to. For my purposes, I'm going to go up here to my apps, or this little grid-like pattern, and select Google Drive. Now I want to make sure that I organize any file that I have. So for this, I am going to create a folder and name this folder Science Period 1. So now you can see my folder Science Period 1. When I select that, within that folder, now I can go through and create a new Google Sheet. So I'll go up here to New, I'll go to Sheets, and then I want to create a blank spreadsheet. Once the spreadsheet is created, the first thing I want to do is title my spreadsheet. And so I'm going to title this Rainfall Over Time. Now once I've created my file, my Google Sheet of rainfall over time, when I go back into my Science Period 1 folder, there is that file. So this is a good way to go through and think about how do you want to organize your Google Drive and make sure everything's where you want it to be. So creating folders within your Drive and then creating those files within the folder will help you stay organized. So that's one way in which you can go through and create a new Google Sheet. The other way is that you can go to your apps and select right here Google Sheets. When I select that, then it takes me to Google Sheets, and then I can create a blank Google Sheet here. So I can open that up, and then here I can then go through and then name this file, and for right now I'm just going to name this Rainfall 2. Now when I do so, the problem is that this is saved directly into my Drive. It's not filed anywhere. Now you could do so and file it somewhere within Google Sheets, and one way to do that is to go up here to this folder. You can select that folder, it opens up into your Drive, and then you can scroll down to the folder you have in your Drive, in this case the Science Period 1 folder I created previously, and then I can move that file into that folder. So now when I need to access it later, I can find that folder in my Science Period 1 Drive. Now to show you what that looks like, I can go back into my Drive, find my Science Period 1 folder, and then there's that file, Rainfall 2.